Imagine finishing your work 10 hours faster every single week without spending a single dollar. In 2026, the best AI tools are completely free, and most people are still paying for tools that have better free alternatives. Today, I'm sharing the 15 best free AI tools you need to start using right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to Logic Vise. If you want to save time, boost productivity, and work smarter with AI, you're in the right place. I'm your channel name. And in this video, we'll explore 15 powerful free AI tools across different categories. Every tool I mention has a generous free plan that's actually useful. I'll show you real use cases, limitations, and how to get started quickly. Let's dive in. Tool 1. ChatGPT OpenAI. First up is the most popular one, ChatGPT. Whether you're a student writing essays, a developer debugging code, or a freelancer drafting emails, ChatGPT handles it all. Best for writing, brainstorming, learning, coding, and everyday tasks. Pro tip: use custom instructions and settings to make it remember your writing style or role. Free plan limit: GPT 4o Mini is very capable. You get decent daily usage. Upgrade only if you need heavy GPT 4o access. Tool 2. Claude Anthropic. Many people who try Claude never go back to ChatGPT. It excels at long documents, detailed reasoning, and coding. Best for technical writing, code review, analyzing long PDFs, and complex problem solving. Real example: upload a 50-page research paper and ask Claude to summarize key findings and create study notes. Free plan: very generous message limit on Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Tool 3. Gemini Google. If you live in Google ecosystem, Gmail, Docs, Drive, Gemini is unbeatable. It can summarize your meetings, draft emails, or analyze data in Google Sheets. Best for research, productivity inside Google Workspace, and multimodal tasks, analyzing images, PDFs. Tool 4. Perplexity. Tired of AI hallucinating answers? Perplexity is your solution. It searches the web in real time and cites sources with every answer. Best for research, fact-checking, and staying updated without switching tabs. Transition: these 4 chatbots cover most daily needs. Now let's look at specialized tools. Tool 5. NotebookLM. Upload your lecture notes, PDFs, or research papers, and NotebookLM becomes your personal AI study assistant. It can create summaries, generate quiz questions, or even turn your notes into a podcast. Perfect for students and professionals who deal with lots of documents. Tool 6. Gamma.app. Need to create a presentation in minutes? Just type your topic and Gamma builds beautiful slides with images and layout. Great for students, freelancers, and business owners. Tool 7. Notion AI. Inside Notion, the built-in AI helps you write faster, summarize pages, create databases, and brainstorm ideas. If you already use Notion, turn on AI. It's free with generous limits. Tool 8. DeepL. The best free translator available. Much more natural than Google Translate, especially for professional or academic writing. Tool 9. ElevenLabs free tier. Generate incredibly realistic voiceovers for your YouTube videos, podcasts, or presentations. The free plan gives you enough characters for several short videos every month. Tool 10. Leonardo AI. Create stunning images and artwork with simple text prompts. Excellent for thumbnails, social media graphics, and concept art. Tool 11. CapCut AI features. You're already using CapCut. Its AI tools for auto captions, effects, music, and background removal are completely free and extremely powerful for faceless creators. Tool 12. Canva Magic Studio. AI-powered design tools inside Canva. Remove backgrounds, generate images, write copy, and create full designs in minutes. Tool 13. Hugging Face. The GitHub of AI models. You can try thousands of open-source models, use free inference APIs, and host small models. Tool 14. N8N Open Source. Build powerful automation workflows connecting different apps. The free self-hosted version is unlimited. Perfect replacement for expensive tools like Zapier. Tool 15. Ollama. Run powerful AI models locally on your own computer, completely free and private. No data leaves your machine. These 15 free AI tools can genuinely replace many paid subscriptions, and save you dozens of hours every month. Quick recap of top recommendations. Best overall, Claude and ChatGPT. Best for research, Perplexity plus NotebookLM. Best for creators, ElevenLabs plus Leonardo plus CapCut. Best for automation, N8N plus Ollama. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Logic Vise, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new AI tools and tutorials. Drop a comment. Which tool are you most excited to try? Or tell me which category you want next. More automation, coding tools, or AI projects? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video where we'll build something amazing with these tools. Stay productive.